You've seen him on America's Got Talent, Late Night with David Letterman, and Ripley's Believe It or Not. So put your hands together for 73-time world record holder, Brad Byers. Thank you for that warm round of applause, and a special thanks for that terrific introduction. Ladies and gentlemen, I have been performing now for 47 years. I can hardly believe it myself. Although I'm most widely known for sword swallowing, I actually perform 25 different acts, and I have performed them in 25 countries. But tonight, for the Hope for the Homeless, I wanted to do something very special. So what you're about to see is the first time ever in front of a live audience. Now, the average speed of that chain is 60 miles per hour. And the average chainsaw injury requires 110 stitches. It's so scary, I can't even watch. Now, ladies and gentlemen, when I look down at the floor, I want to see 4 pieces. If I see 5 pieces, something went horribly wrong. Thank you.